Nicole Longway, Harvest of Sound Chairperson. Our first senior this evening is Amelia Bozak. Amelia has been an alto sax player for the past year. Amelia's favorite memory is from her first year of Vanguard and all the fun times they had together. Her advice for future band members is to never give up, dress for the weather, drink lots of water. Her favorite show was from Mount Olympus to the LA Coliseum. Olympia is accompanied by her dad, Ralph Reed, and her brother, Adrian Bozak. Amelia.
I like to climb. There's an entrance right here. I don't care. Then I find it. Sit down. I did. Can I say, did I fart? No. You're making me sit down. Yeah. No. Oh my god. Nope, I'm done. Shut up. Video. Sorry.
Our next senior is Catherine Lupo. Catherine is a flute player. This is her second year with the Vanguard. Catherine's favorite band memory is winning first place in New Jersey. Her advice for future band members is always to push yourself, and her favorite show was Bushido, Code of the Samurai. Catherine is accompanied by her mom, Kathy Lupo, dad Rick Lupo, Uncle Bill Lupo, and Aunt Angie DeManco. Catherine. Eric Moen. Eric plays snare. This is his second year with the Vanguard. His favorite band memory was winning first place last year in New Jersey. His advice for future band members is to always wear sunscreen, and the hard work will always pay off. His favorite show was Bushido, Code of the Samurai. Eric is accompanied by his mom, Carol Moen. Eric. Chris Moriarty. Chris plays the alto saxophone. This is Chris's 5th year with the Vanguard. Chris's favorite memory of marching band was his first time going to the Carrier Dome. His advice for future band members is to always do the best that you can be. His favorite show is Space and Beyond from 2009. Chris is accompanied by his mom Maria, dad Steve, and sister Elizabeth. Chris. Lauren Podolak. Lauren is in the color guard. This is her 5th year with the Vanguard. Lauren's favorite band memory is having an amazing bond with Leanne and having a safe haven out on the parking lot and the field. Her advice for future band members is to stay positive no matter what the pain is, and it will get easier. Her favorite show was Night Watch. Lauren's accompanied by her mom, Darlene Podolick, and Uncle Bruce, and that is Lauren. Tori Trumbull. Tori's a clarinet player. This is her third year with the Vanguard. Tori's favorite band memory is hanging out and taking selfies at Easter Roundacoit. Her advice for future band members is you'll find a home in marching bands, so don't forget to live in the moment and have fun. Her favorite show is Bushido, Code of the Samurai. Tori's accompanied by her dad, Bob Trumbull, brother Cameron, and Nicholas, and Aunt Kathy Blanchard. The Vanguard of the Auburn High School Music Boosters wishes our 2016 seniors the best of luck for the rest of the season and their future pursuits. The band moms and dads hope that the commitment and dedication you've learned in marching band will bring you success in your future endeavors. Congratulations. Will the drum majors please line up and enter the field for the award presentations?